This is the master bedroom here in the second floor. Bedroom of Bridget. The doors. Window. That's Rose Rock. This one is the door of Junjun. Room of Junjun. Ceiling. If you stay here, this is the door of Bridget. That is the room or door of Junjun. And the one that guy standing there are having a work. That's the door of my bedroom here at the second floor. Okay. This is now the view. So this is the stair going down. And if you walk here, this is the CR already. Okay, CR stair going down. So this is the room of Junjun before. Sleep here. Now this is become a CR. See? This is a CR. It's very dark already. This will be the light come in only when the air vent will be open, still closed. See? Can you see? Can you imagine? Yeah. This is 28 days before it removed. This is the ceiling of walling of Junjun. The walling at the same time firewall. Bridget Rose. This is the ground floor. Okay, the kitchen where the stove is. Aham gasol diri do tangke. So now this is our room already. Look like this, the window, the opening. This is the opening already of our room, the window, right? So this is how it looks already.